All right, I got my memory card as I always do. So Lake George, back. So here's the video. Watch, you can see a lot of cars doing burnouts, a lot of cool cars going into the show. So right off the bat, I did not make it. Let's get that out of the way, okay? Because the clutch finally went. I was trying not to do the clutch, so I didn't feel like doing it. I was like, oh, it'll make it, it'll make it. No, it freaking finally went. Not only did that go, they sent me the wrong one. Not even the right one once I pulled it out. Ordered another clutch. They said, it's for a Corvette, it should work. Right spline, everything was right. I'm like, okay. Put it in, didn't work. Crap. Pulled it out. Took the clutch off my Bandit, put that in, put it all back together, didn't work. After I got it all back in, the fuel pump went. Then, well, before that, as I was driving it around, getting it ready, went to get it inspected, my buddy's freaking computer crashed. I can't make this up. So anyways, so fuel pump, so anyways, I'll keep saying anyways, because I am going to. Watch the show, a lot of cool cars, and burnouts, watch the police chase, well, kind of, you'll see the police go after a guy, all right? Okay, so I couldn't get it inspected. Today's Tuesday, so I had to make it look pretty for everybody. Whatever. Not gonna get there till Thursday now. Doing stupid things to this car, so somebody doesn't want to inspect it. It doesn't look nice enough. Now I gotta make it look pretty. Or prettier. Make everybody happy. There, now it looks pretty. But now it looks prettier. Okay, I did it. And I think Frank looks too freaking nice now. Don't like it. Don't like it. It's okay. I don't know, man. Okay, it's 7:10 on Tuesday, the day before I'm supposed to leave. I guess I'm doing the clutch, because it's bad. I had to fix all this stuff, because when I went to go get it inspected, he didn't like it. So I said, well, I'm just going to hack it crap out of it, just to make it look kind of pretty. Now it looks too nice, I think. I don't know. It doesn't look nice, but it looks... we'll see, whatever. Just use this. Cut this hole, because I can't get this stupid shifter out of there. It's pressed in, so fun. I'm hoping it goes back far enough. My friend Steve just found me a clutch flywheel. I'm trying to take it off this car, this one here. I'm all flustered, so as I'm walking away, because I'm an idiot, I left that there. He's like, don't forget that. You're going to look for it later.
Just wipe it off with some like a brake cleaner, starter fluid or something.
Okay. New clutch. New flywheel's going in. Unbelievable. So this is Brian. This is the day I'm supposed to leave, was today. And I'm putting a clutch in, which Stevie, my buddy Steve, found me one, because he had to say, because I couldn't find a Camaro one. So what he says, it's for a 1979 Corvette. So they're like, oh yeah, we got that. It's the same freaking number. They cross-referenced it. It's the same freaking number. So I fixed the clutch. Well, kind of. We got to adjust it some more, but I did that, and now it's starting to leak fuel. Oh my God. All right, I can't get my clutch adjusted. I don't know if I put it in backwards or not. I'm going to rip it all apart. It's already 3:45 now at night. I don't know if I'm going to make it now. And my fuel pump just went. I don't know. I'm ripping it all apart. All right, well, sadly, Frank did not make it to Lake George. I tried everything I could. You saw what I did. I tried. Finally, the clutch got so bad, I had to change it last minute. They didn't have the right clutch. They had some smaller clutch. He needed a bigger clutch. Stole it out of my Bandit Trans Am engine because I had it. I said, maybe it'll work. So I did it twice. Didn't work. So here Frank sits. It's okay, Frank. It's okay. Maybe next year. We'll see. Done that on the way here. Kind of interesting. Oh, I know. So this is the car that actually inspired Frank. I was like, oh, that's cool. I like that. Never touched.
Do you know the story behind it?
I don't know. I don't know. But it's definitely neat. See? Looks like he did the front seats just for comfort, because the back ones aren't helping anybody. No, I don't know the story behind it. That's Brian's car, next to my car. No, wait, that's not my car. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Girls, guys, girls, whoever's watching. So, at the fuel pump. I have the right clutch now. It's already, what's today, Tuesday? Yeah, Wednesday. So I'll put that in a couple days, and we'll be driving it around. And so next we'll be doing my wife's car, a real restoration. I'll go in the show, we'll click to that in 2 seconds. But don't forget to like, subscribe. I'd say comment, but I'd rather you give me crap, please. Might as well. Freaking didn't make it, all this hype for nothing. Let's go look at my wife's car real quick. And I'm going to tell you to like, subscribe, and give me crap in a second. Come on. Okay, this is the wife's car. This is what we'll be doing next. I've already got a bunch of this stuff done before I started making videos. A lot of stuff's in primer, so I'm going to do the shell. We'll get the shell painted, start assembling the car. So yes, so again, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, crap, whatever you got to do. Give me crap. I need it. I like it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I always keep meaning to ask you, how do you guys like the lengths of the videos? I can go longer, but probably I try to cut it down so it's, okay, I can watch this in under 15 minutes and I can get on with my day. So let me know if that's what you want. Under 15 minutes, get on with your day, or do you guys want to see a longer show, I guess, whatever. So anyways, I really want to know. And also, if you want to see me being more like an idiot, I'll do more mechanical stuff, but you'll see stuff will tend to flow better when I'm just doing the body part of it. Yeah, right. Uh-oh, I got smoke. Also, on another note, I want to thank everybody who helped me and spent a lot of time working on this car. Brian and Jordan and Dean and Max, Steve and Russ and Dan, my wife, the O'Reilly guys, and everybody. So, oh, and Henry's recon team.
Everyone, get Lincoln!
You did a good job. So thanks everybody that helped me. Everybody I forgot. Everybody, thank you for helping me. Don't try and make this happen. And the people who said that we were going to make it too. Yes, thank you for saying that we were going to make it. Thank you, thank you.